How to make the frame MDF back in large production. Tighter frame equipment TS-J40P. This will help you make the production very fast. This is the premium type. For the TS-J40P, this one, we have two types. One type is like this. Use the cylinder, big cylinder in the top side. You can push the head very strongly. Another type is like this. We use the electric motor to make that. It's also very strong and also very faster. For this one, the cylinder one, this one, the price is cheaper and very competitive. But the speed is just like the 35 to the 40 pieces in 1 minute. And for the electric motor will make the 1 second, 1 piece. That means even how fast you can, it can meet your need for the electric type. And now today we'll show you this, the new cylinder type. Okay, come here. So what? Now after when you get this machine, this the H port is stored on the machine. H port is in a wooden case. You take off here. Then you need to install. No need to install. It's just to make this H port on the table to follow this. We have a rubber standard 1, 2, 3, 4 rubber standard in the back side, in the bottom side. And then here the mouse, the camera come. The mouse just to face to the checking. So in this way, when it's working, the H can go inside, can go inside to this checking very smoothly. And also we need to keep here approximately like the 3 millimeter space to here. Because for this, the checking is shaking and the H port also shaking. So we need to leave the space to avoid it heat together. Okay, now after you install to put this port on the machine, so we need to connecting with the air in here, connecting with the air in there, air tube, and also connecting with the electric power. First, we open this. After you connecting with the air pressure, to open this, and then with the floor here, open the electric power. Then after you open the electric power, the checking will start to working, and the port will start working. Of course, after this, see, after all the H full of the checking, the sensor will find the H already full of it, so it will stop working for this H port. So this will save energy for you. Okay, now we start to working and to see how is it. Now this is the cylinder to press the H, and this is the working table. Working table, this is a movable. It has the inside in the button. We have a secure in it. The secure in the button side under the table. We use the wrench. To make it take off. Then this can move it at your MDF size like this. And also after you make that, so you need to confirm that if this H is delivered to the position you want. After you get the position you want, then lock this. 1 secure, 2 secure. And then after that, use the standard. Now start working. After already, then to put that. Of course, we will need one chair. You can sit down to work. In this way, it will be more comfortable. Now this is the foot sweeps is in the bottom. When we press it, it will take the cylinder will press it. we just put this in the middle of it. In the middle, I will press put the slips and to see what happens. See, after you finish work, you need to take off because the next hitch will deliver come soon. So let's see this. This is very strong.